Hello all, this is Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video we are going to discuss about protocols and standards, so which is belongs to computer networks. So in this we are having a separate layer for transmitting the data from sender to receiver. So that layer is called as an OSI layer, so which is open system interconnections, so which is contains totally 7 layers. So whenever we are transmitting the data from sender to receiver, so it is traveling these 7 layers, so then only it will reach on to that receiver. Okay, so in these 7 layers we are segregated into a more number of protocols. So based on the layer, the protocol will act as a different load. Protocol is nothing but the set of rules and regulations for transmitting the data from sender to receiver. Okay, so first one is physical layer, second one is data link layer, then third one is network layer, then transport layer, then session layer, presentation layer, and last one is application layer. So this application layer is directly connected with the receiver, the physical layer is directly connected with the sender. Okay, so each and every layer having a separate role for transmitting the data. For example, if you are taking as an physical layer, so in that physical layer the data are present in the bit format, so which means whether the data is consisting as an either 0 or else 1, so which means it is containing only bit of value. So in that next level of layer, so that is called as an data link layer. In that data link layer the bits are converted into the frames, so which means we are grouping bits, so then it is called as an frames. So if you are moving on to the third level layer, so which means network layer means, so here the datas are grouping into the packets, the frames are converted into packets. So in first layer the bit, then in the second layer the datas are present in the form of frames, so in the third layer datas are present in the form of packets. Then next it will be moving on to the transport layer. So in the transport layer the main protocol is TCP and UDP, these two protocols are used. So in the network layer internet protocol is used. Okay, so this internet protocol consisting of two versions, so the one is called as an IPv4, so which means version 4, the next one is a IPv6, so that is a version 6. So still now we are using more number of applications in the form of IPv4. So IPv6, so which is used for only high level applications. Okay, the next one is called as an transport layer. So in the transport layer we are majorly used two protocols. So one is TCP protocol, the next one is a UDP protocol. So TCP protocol is nothing but the transmission control protocol. So the next one is the next level UDP protocol is called as an user datagram protocol. So TCP is a connection oriented program, so which means it provides a reliable data transmission between the sender and receiver. The next one is a user datagram protocol, so it is a connectionless protocol, so which means less reliable for transmitting the data between sender to receiver. Okay, so these are all the major difference between TCP and UDP protocols. So which these two protocols are majorly used in the transport layer. Okay, the next level is a session layer. So in the session layer the session ID will be maintained for transmitting the data. The next level layer is presentation layer. So here only the datas are having in the level of scrutiny called security related mechanisms like encryption, decryption. So here the datas are converted into plain text into ciphertext, then ciphertext into plain text. The next one is application layer. So in this application layer more number of protocols are used like HTTP, HTTPS, then domain name service, so which means whether the transmission medium is belonging to .edu, which means education level, or else .in, or else .commercial, so which means it is represented as an .com. Okay, so then telnet, so these are all the protocols are directly used in that application layer. So these are the 7 layers and protocols are incorporated to the open system interconnection, so which is used for transmitting the data effectively from the sender to receiver. So in these 7 layers, each and every part is containing the separate protocols. So each and every terms based on that which kind of protocol used for the specific data transmission. So based on that, the data will be shared over to the network. Thank you.